So, hello friends, how are you doing? Is anyone
Fantastic.
joining today?
Yeah, I think Gajanan is joining. Okay, he just called me.
Okay. So let's wait for him.
Okay.
So today we are going to do a very interactive session on PathoGold Extension Studio Plus, which is a very flagship software of Birla Medisoft. So we'll be demonstrating you about the entire features, and we'll have this completely interactive session where all your queries can be answered. And I will try to give you, the doubts which are there. If you have any doubts after that, this demonstration, I'll able to clear you that doubt.
Birla sir, can you tell us something about the company?
Okay, so it's a very pleasure for me to introduce today. Today is the 21st Foundation Day of Birla Medisoft.
Oh,
that is 6th June 2021 is a 21st Foundation Day of Birla Medisoft. Okay. So today is a very auspicious day for us. Sir, on 6th June 2001, Birla Medisoft started its journey in healthcare software development. The first name of the company was Birla Tech, and later on it was changed to Birla Medisoft Private Limited in year 2005. So this is the only company I can say, I'm not proud of that, this thing, but I can say it's the only company which has created massive number of healthcare softwares. You talk about any healthcare software and we have that. Such a feat has been commanded by a company which has got a hospitals, occupational health management, blood bank, diagnostic center management, even government, we have executed orders for the government, NUHM, National Urban Health Mission, and vast range of healthcare IT solutions are created by Birla Medisoft. And the founders of the Birla Medisoft is myself. I come with the complete IT background and I'm an ERP consultant also. So my stint in this IT background is around 30 years. And our other director, Dr. Upma Jain, she's a gynecologist and she's a doctor by profession. So you can see the strongest promoters of Birla Medisoft. That's what this company has got a very unique proposition, which I can tell that it's a IT plus the medical background is there. So you can understand how much depth of knowledge has been entered in developing all these softwares. So all these benefits, people can get it when they use it, when they find our softwares, that it's a completely feature rich, and you will find out the complete blend of ERP into that, because I come up with the ERP system. So I try to create all these softwares as per the ERP background. If you take about the smallest software like PathoGold, which is also an ERP software itself, to a larger software, hospital information system, again, it is based on the ERP concept. So that is there. And you will find out the medical domain expertise as well as IT expertise, both are embedded in Birla Medisoft software series. So I hope that Birla Medisoft is wants to computerize, wants to empower each and every healthcare professional around the world using Birla Medisoft software. And I wish that we would be going ahead so many years forward and serving the healthcare organizations a lot. So hello friends, this is Srinivas Birla, Chairman and CEO of Birla Medisoft. So Birla Medisoft is a 20 years company, and today is a foundation day of Birla Medisoft. That is 6th June 2021 is the foundation day. We started our journey on 6th June 2001. Since then, Birla Medisoft is a, I can say, pioneer company in terms of healthcare IT is concerned. Now, today we are talking about the laboratory information system. This demonstration is for the lab. So Birla Microsoft must have sold so many lab softwares. Highest number of selling softwares in the country is by Birla Microsoft. Our PathoGold series software as well as Maxim LIS for the big diagnostic center, big laboratories are a very hot favorite product. And today we are going to see the demonstration of the PathoGold laboratory information system software from Birla Microsoft. So this is the live session we will be seeing, and I will also answer your question if you have any doubt on this software, and we will have an interactive session. So carry on. Can we start a demonstration?
Yeah, sir. Start.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I'll be sharing you my screen, and you can see my screen right now. I'll start a software. So I have started a software. Okay. Just a minute. Let me close. Okay, so I start a software. Username is Birla Tech, password is BT, and here is the software. So as you are aware, this software has got all the functions, right from test reporting to accounting, inventory control, utilities. It's a power pack system for any laboratory, any diagnostic center. It has got a power and very easy to operate this software. It's very easy to operate. This is our flagship product. This is the latest product called as PathoGold Extension Studio Plus. And in radiology, it is called as PathoRad Extension Studio Plus. So if I can say, it has got address book, interpretation entry, digital signature, report delivery by SMS. With the help of SMS, you can get a report, business intelligence, individual page report delivery. So now let's start an interactive session. If you have got any queries, I would like to answer those queries for you.
Sir, what kind of software is this? I mean, is it a web-based software, online? What kind of software is this, sir?
This software is a offline software, basically, and it has got a power of offline and online. So your data will remain on your computer only, and it will not be in the cloud, and it can remain in your computer. And at the same time, you can also use the power of WhatsApp, email, SMS, all these things will be possible. So this doesn't require a dedicated internet connection. So suppose sometimes your connection is not there, still you can operate it. And later on, when the connection will come, internet will come, you can send the reports. So this is the software.
Okay. Sir, does this software require any specific configuration of a PC, computer?
See, this software will work on all type of Windows operating system. And another thing is it needs a minimum 4 GB RAM, because it can work on a lesser, but 4 GB RAM onwards, it will run in a fantastic way. So configuration, I can say a good computer system. Nowadays, i3, i5 are coming. So take that system with the 4 GB RAM minimum, or it can have a 8 GB RAM. That's the ideal one. And it has got a power of 64-bit computing, so that you can really utilize and put it a 64-bit operating system, Windows 10 or Windows 7 also with 64-bit. So, it will run fantastically on that.
Okay. So can we proceed, sir? I mean, when you show the USB.
I can show you one demonstration. Yeah. I can register a patient right now. This is a patient registration, and here is the doctor, referring doctor. Okay, and I'll register one patient. Okay, let's say I register Amit Sharma, Amit, and this is the last name. And very easy to operate the screen. And I entered the age, 24 years. And I'll just enter the email address, neeraj@birlamedisoft.com, and also I'll enter the mobile numbers. Can you provide me your WhatsApp number? Hello?
Yeah, just a minute. I'll share my number.
What's your number, so that I can immediately enter and I'll show you?
Yeah, just a minute. You can take down. It is 922.
Okay.
55. 62. 176.
176. Okay, 176. If you see, that number is correct. Okay.
Yeah.
So now these are the tests are there. On the left side, you will find out all tests. So virtually all tests are entered in the software, and you can also introduce a new test. So I'll just select one hemogram right now. Okay. And as soon as I select it, immediately the rate will come at the bottom and I'll proceed ahead. So is this okay from here, or you want to select any other test?
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay. So
no,
okay.
sir, need to add 2-3 more tests.
Okay. So I'll add a biochemistry. I'll add blood sugar fasting and PP. Okay. I'll add. So all tests are there. The test can be selected by code, by name. If I don't remember the test, where the test is, I can just say lipid. Immediately lipid profile will come. Like that, the test will come. Okay. If I want to see HIV, I'll say HIV. The HIV report will come like this. Okay. What are the tests are selected? You can see it from the test selected menu. These are the tests are there. So now we can proceed ahead with the 7 tests.
Yes, sir. 1 second, sir. We have to put down each and every field which is above in the patient contact information in that block. We have to write all information.
Okay, so there is a system setting is given. Okay, yes, I'll show you. There is a system setting is given in the software. Once I save this, I will take you there. That software, you can have a first name, which are the compulsory are there. They're completely given in a system setting menu.
Okay, sir.
There you have to configure the entire software. This software for anyone can set up within a 15 minutes of time. It doesn't need any more time for the setting up. And this software can be set for any particular laboratory. So that is very much possible. So, okay, I will take the 7 test result. Once I press this button, 7 test result, immediately a screen will come. And this entire software gets operated from a bottom. If you see that F2 for new patient, F3 edit patient, add modify test, enter test result, F7 for the system setting, you know, which we are talking about system setting, then F8 for the bill and F9 for the search. So these are the most common useful operations are given to you. So let's say I entered some data now so that you will be able to understand. Okay. I'll enter some 12. So immediately 12 become the abnormal. Okay. So because 12 is a 13, 17, 12 is a abnormal. So whenever there is a abnormal value will come, automatically the exclamation mark is given by the system. And if you see that at bottom, it is also calculating the formulas. So you don't need to, you know, take out your calculator and calculate your formula. The system will automatically calculate it. Like that, it has calculated MCV, MCH, MCSC, all values has been calculated, and you can edit these values if you want. So I'll say save over here, and you will see that, okay, I'll enter some more data for the biochemistry. I'll enter some data. I'll enter 70 here, and I'll enter 80 here. Okay. And see if I want to just save this, and if I want to just take a lipid profile, you have to just deselect these values and you will get a lipid profile format. I'll enter 125. See, automatically it's calculating. Okay, let me fill up quickly so that you will be able to understand all these values. Okay. So that then we'll have a question and answer session for you. Okay. 130, let's say. Okay, I can enter. And I entered a 35. I can say 48 over here. Okay, so remaining values has been calculated. Okay, so I save this. Okay, I saved it. And now serology also, we will see serology, HIV. So if you see on the HIV, the note is already there at the bottom. And you have to have the just short form. If I want to type a negative, you just say NEG and enter, it will immediately write. So it has got a short form entry also. So big sentences can be written in a very small short forms. So I save it, and my all 3 reports are ready. If I want to see the report, I'll just say preview button, and immediately a report will be available. See, so the entire note has come and the report is visible. Okay, I'll go down and I'll see that some other features of this software. Okay. These features are like this. This software can also come with the QR code. The QR code reporting is possible. So this QR code is nothing but the complete report online. you can, as soon as you scan this thing, the report will come online automatically. So this is a very much required feature nowadays. Electronic signature is there. Time, what time it is printed, everything is given fantastically. Okay, now if you want to see this report on a letterhead, then there is a button called as group report. When you go to the group report, you see this report on the letterhead. So here is the report with header. See, your report with the header has come. Your company, your letterhead has come. And at bottom, you can have a footer also. So letterhead, header and footer have come. So this can be sent to the WhatsApp. If you want to see, I can select this thing, how it will send the WhatsApp and email reporting. So I'll just authorize it. And this report will be available to you by the WhatsApp. Just a minute. So here is the WhatsApp and the email. So if I click this button, WhatsApp will be sent to you. It's already sent. See, report to WhatsApp sent successfully. Your WhatsApp credit point balance. So it will also tell you how much is the WhatsApp credit balance are there. So you must have received the WhatsApp report right now. And with the email also, you must have received. So now.
I received. I received the SMS also when you register.
Fantastic, fantastic. Another feature, you must have received the SMS report via SMS also. Have you received a report via SMS? Yes, you must have received. Okay, so now you have any question, I can answer you.
Sir, how much time does this software take to install?
I told you, within 15 minutes.
Okay.
Within 15 minutes.
And, wait, I'll show you the report which I received. Okay.
Wonderful. Okay. You got a report. Okay. Very nice. So you got a report. You yeah, we definitely see that report. And yes, you must have received a report via SMS also. The link has come to you, as well as starting on the SMS has come to you. Another beautiful feature of this software is, let's imagine that here is the setting. The setting menu is there. See, you were asking about how to set it. Here is the setting menu.
Yeah.
Compulsory age field, compulsory,
yes,
everything is there. Okay. Now this is the owner's, your laboratory owner's number. Okay. Now imagine on this number, one SMS will come. This will indicate that whether you are in the lab or you are not in the lab, but automatically you will also get one SMS saying that such and such person has been registered in your laboratory and his record number is this and this, and some information will come at what time it is registered. So you will automatically come to know that yes, somebody is registered in your lab. So this automatically sends a single SMS to a owner's number, and owner will get notified that how many patient has come. So this is a very good information, very good feature added to the software. Now, any question?
Sir, in this software, can we add new tests are coming, like COVID antigen test and all?
Yeah.
How can we add?
You can have a COVID test. Very easy. Very easy.
If I have to change my normal values, can I change?
Right. See, this is the system menu which is given. If you see in the system menu, everything is changeable. You can add modify test. You can change the test format, whatever we have given. You can enter the rate. You can change the normal value. See, print normal value, change normal value, change normal values are there. You can do virtually anything. Now, if any number of tests are coming in the future, you can add this test very easily. So I'll just open up. See, here is the complete, I can say like setting. Okay. So let's say complete blood count. How is the format? It's very easy format. Now this is the format of complete blood count. It's the hemogram. You can change this format yourself. It's very much possible. So this is completely in your hand. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now, shall we show you the
I have one doubt, sir.
Okay.
While registering patient, we need to add the doctor name by typing there manually, or just we have to select that in from that drop down menu?
See, now what happens is when you take this software, what you have to do, you have to go to the new menu and you have to register the doctors. All the doctors you get registered. Okay. So this is our starting, you know, some starting has to be done, some entry has to be done. So you register the doctor, like you give the code. Let's say doctors is Sudarshan Chakravarti. So SUC. You can just write SUC also. You can write 001. You can write 3-digit code. How do you want to calculate? Okay. So Dr. Sudarshan Chakrabarti. Okay, like that. You can enter it. Okay. And save and say no. And just say this way you can enter all the doctors first. Okay. So how we have given SUC now? Okay. We have given the code called as SUC. So when we go for the doctor, we can just type here SUC. That's it. And even the drop down will come. You can select from the drop down or you can select from here. Like that.
Okay,
Got
sir.
it? Yes.
Okay, okay. But sir, sometimes if we have we have no any doctor in that list, and suddenly new doctor came, so we have to directly write manually in that field, or just we can.
You can write. See, now suppose
like
some doctor has come immediately. Okay. Sunil. The Sunil is not there. So Dr. Sunil is not there. Okay. Dr. Sunil has come. It's a runtime. And he is not there. So the system is intelligent. Sir. As soon as you enter or you put it a tab or anything, it will recognize this doctor is not available. Do you want to add it? So it will say yes, and it will go to the same menu and you can add it immediately. So this way, runtime also you can add the doctors.
Means the lab technician or the user has the choice to add the doctor or not to add the doctor. Or it is compulsory to add the doctor there?
Yes, doctor has to be added. Yes, right. Doctor has to be added. And if you say doctor, collection center, technician, supplier, all things are here at one screen only. Mr. Neeraj, do you have any question?
Sir, when bills can be removed by this software, sir?
Bills can be?
Receipts, bills can be given by the software?
I can create a bill. There's a hotkey is given, F8. Or you can go to the F8 hotkey and you can create the bill.
Okay.
See, this is F8. Okay, I created. You select the patient and what are the charges are there. Look at this. Charges are there.
Okay.
Okay, the charges are there, 811. Okay, so you type the charges 811 and immediately you can save it. And yes, this charges has automatically come from the database. And now you can generate a one small receipt. It's a 40-column receipt will generate. Okay, see this receipt. And at the same time, if you want to give a bill to the patient, you can give a bill. Here is a bill format. See, this is the bill format. And then on the bill format, there's a QR code is also printed. This QR code facility is additional. You have to buy it. So you will get a QR code. So what is the benefit of this QR code? It has got a great benefit. Whenever a patient will register the test, immediately on the bill, the QR code will be printed. So patient can just scan the QR code and immediately whatever the report is there, once you authorize that report, this will go to our web server. From there, you can download the report. So just scan this QR code and the report will be available. Another beauty is if patient has not given the full money, then the report will not be delivered. So that is also possible. So it will not happen that, okay, patient has not given and still the report is available to the patient. No, patient has to make a full payment and then a report will be available.
Sir, is it possible that I can manage my monthly accounts? I mean, how many tests were done? Okay.
Yes.
By the end of the month.
Powerful search facility is given. You can do anything in the search. Say, I'll open the search. Okay, so various ways you can search. This is a unique, how many tests you have done during this, during this period. You have to go to the test menu and you have to select the test. Let's say from, let's say, I say January 1st till today, show me the search and immediately see, it will give the complete details. You have done 17 hemogram, complete blood count 14, lipid profile 10, okay, D-dimer 2. Okay, now who are these people? Whose lipid profile, 10 lipid profiles has done? You have to just double click on this. See, this is the beauty. So all the people who have done the 10 lipid profiles are all listed over here. And you can again drill down. You have to just double click. The master entry will come on any report. Any patient, you have to double click and one master control will come. From here, you can go to software anywhere. You can see the report immediately. So the scenario is like this. Somebody comes up to you. You search his report and immediately report is, the name has been found. You just double click it and you want to just take out the report. Just say test result and you are there. And within a second, you get the report. So fast. Look, the report has come in front of you.
Okay, great.
Yes.
Sir, what kind of service do you provide? Suppose if I buy the software, okay,
Yeah.
and say after 3-4 months, okay, I require some kind of service, my technician is changed, or some kind of problem or error comes. So, do you provide support services?
Yes, we do provide. We provide the support services. So 1 year, the completely support is free. And see, this is a robust software, first of all, okay? And many users are using the software since many years. But yes, whenever you will need a support from us, you will have to pay a certain AMC charges to us. So why the AMC charges are taken? It's obviously that you are looking for a support, right? We have to maintain our staff. We have to feed them. We have to give them a salaries and everything. It is only for the benefit of the people, benefit of the labs, that they have to get the uninterrupted service. That's what a small amount of AMC is charged. And that gives you the relief that whenever you need support, you should not be hampered by, whatever the work you are doing and suddenly your work stops. There has to be a support department. Our support department is handy to you. Immediately, just give a call to our support department and we have a support numbers are there. And if you see here, you go to the About Us page. Okay, how to find out the support department? You go to the About Us page and say About PathoGold. And that's it. Support numbers are here. You need not to go anywhere. Everything is here. Sales and support numbers are given on this page. So you need not to bother how to contact, where to contact. It is already given. So you can immediately contact us and we will give you the support. So that's what, first of all, it's a robust software and it will run fantastically. But yes, our support department is handy for you.
Sir, one more thing, sir. Suppose if this software goes slow, okay, is there any way that I can boost up this software?
I will tell you. This software has got a unique capability. That's what you will find out. Many users are using this software since 18+ years. Since 2001, when we started this company, our first version of the software came called a DocMatrix Pathology Management System. Till this is the latest program, how the people are using. There's a special facilities given called under the utilities menu called a Speed Booster. This is a wonderful utility. As soon as you press this button, Speed Boost, immediately this software will give you the same speed as earlier. So this has a special facility is given called a Speed Booster facility, which has to be used by the people and it will never slow down.
Okay. Sir, one more question. Suppose I buy WhatsApp and SMS, and suppose if that gets exhausted, so how do I recharge that?
Yeah, once you are exhausted, see, whenever you are sending WhatsApp or SMS, you are always getting that how much is your balance. So it is indicating every time, whenever it's sending, say your balance is this, your balance is this. After the balance is exhausted, yes, you can contact Birla Medisoft. And within a 3,000 rupees, you will get the 10,000 WhatsApp and 10,000 SMS pack recharged. And it is again a choice. You can utilize it. You can make it on off. You know, SMS can be off. There's a facility given into the system setting menu that here is the facility: SMS flag, SMS report flag. SMS flag means whenever the first time, whenever you are registering a patient, the SMS will come. That is called as SMS flag. And whenever you want to register, send an SMS via send a report via SMS, this flag is required. So there's a choice. If you want to just use a WhatsApp, you just make this SMS report flag off. Report will not go, but WhatsApp you can utilize. So you get a 10,000 WhatsApp and 10,000 SMS pack in 3,000 rupees. You can recharge it.
Fine, sir. So there is any, yeah.
Can we change the, yes, you shown that report with header and a report with footer also, and the signature is also on the page. So how can we add that signature, header, footer, all these
here
things?
Is the under system setting menu, report setting. You go here. In the report setting, you can add a browse header, you can add a browse footer, you can enter the signature. Here's the signatures. Okay, completely given here.
Okay, sir.
So we need to quickly run away. We have to quickly now because the time is short right now. The meeting will about to end. So quickly, I would like to answer your question.
Sir, I think suppose if I want to buy, okay, so how much time it will take to download? I think I have asked you this question, okay. So can this be possible within 1 hour's time, sir, to download and to start the software?
See, now we are installing this software within half an hour. That's it. Download half an hour, it gets installed completely on your computer.
Okay.
That's it. Within half an hour, you are on.
Okay, sir.
I will tell you another beauty. If you are already a PathoGold user, you are using PathoGold 2005 or any PathoGold software, previous software. Once you install this PathoGold Extension Studio Plus, all your data will come in the PathoGold Extension Studio Plus. So it will migrate the data. So imagine suddenly you were using the old software. Now suddenly you have switched to the new software. You don't change anything. Automatically your data and everything comes here. That is another feature is there, data migration.
Sir, this has got two versions. If I'm correct me if I'm wrong. One is a single user and one is a multi-user. Am I right, sir?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
Correct. It has got a multi-user capability. It can connect, I can say 4 or 5 computers. You can connect to every computer you connect. You need to pay charges. Yeah. And I can suggest that it can go for the 4 or 5 computers connection very easily. It's basically, it can go more than 5 also. Your server must be good, because your main server on which the software will be loaded, it has to be a good server. You can connect 10 computers. There's no problem.
Generally, we are mostly looking for a single user. So I think this is beneficial for single user, right?
Single user, multi-user. Yes, it has both capabilities.
Yeah. Okay.
Single user, multi-user, very easily.
So can we connect the cell counter machines and another biochemistry also machines?
Yes, yes, yes. You can connect on one PC. You can connect 2 machines. So let's say you have one PC and you have 2 instruments, hematology analyzer, one biochemistry analyzer. You can connect it with this and all the data will come. So quickly, I will show you something, a very quick, this thing I'll edit this patient and I will add one cell counter interface immediately. Here is the cell counter. So you can see how the cell counter interface will enter the data. See now, hematology, this is a complete blank format. I'll fill it up this format easily. I'll just download and how the cell counter data will come here. And I'll click on this thing and it will get filled up. See, it has got filled up. So you can run, you have to have a, if you take a cell counter interface with this software, it will be like breeze. You can run n number of samples and you need not to type it. This will, and you can edit these values also. And that's it. Your report is ready within a second. See, your report is ready.
Sir, one question. This cell counter interface will cost extra, am I right?
See, the basic software, this is what you are saying is a one cost. Cell counter interface is another cost. QR code is another cost. You can keep on adding, you know. But with this software, you will get the electronic signature, header, footer, and whatever is written, address book, this thing, everything will be available. Another beauty thing I will tell you, very, very important. Now, what happens? Nowadays, you need to remember that, okay, who is this person? And whenever a person will come to you again, when a patient will come to you, you have to just press this button, search, and enter me, give me your number, Mr. Neeraj. What number you have entered?
Yeah, just a minute, sir. Okay.
Okay. If you don't remember, you can click here question mark also. That's also possible. Okay.
No, wait. Yeah, just take down the number. It's 922
922
55
55
621
621
76.
But that's it. And press OK. And see, it all just got filled up. This is the beauty. It's a complete address book is maintained. Automatically, as soon as you register it, it will keep on maintaining. So you need not to type anything. Okay. So this is very, very good feature, which is there in this software.
Sir, can we have graphs of that analyzer?
Yeah, hematology analyzer, there can be graphs. Okay. So, you know, graphs are also coming with this. Yes. Hemogram with histogram. Graphs will be coming. Okay. Here is the graphs will be plotted. What are the values will be there? The graphs will be coming on this. Yes.
These are some dummy values. That's why it is.
That's what naturally the graph will come. We have given a special button, hemogram with histogram. So the graphs will come over there. Certain machines which can send a graph. Yes, graph will come.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think this is one of the fantastic softwares, you know, easy to use, easy to understand. Okay. And there is no dependency, what I think, on others.
See, I can tell you, this is one man show software. It has got everything. You need not to bother. You can maintain the inventory. You can have the accounts, how much balance, everything. Go to the accounts menu, patient account. Okay. Everything is there. Then you have a daily cash register, income report, everything. Accounting, it can maintain. It can maintain your inventory control. It has got a utilities. Again, this software can be created with a multi-user. So suppose you are the owner. You have a roles and rights. You want to give to your technician who wants to have only certain menus to be operating. You can lock those menus. So you can create a such type of thing so that only authoritative things you can create. You can create n number of users under the admin menu. You see, create user. Okay. I'll quickly show you one user. I'll create one user quickly right now so that I will stop the accounts menu from that user. Okay. I'll create a user called as Ramesh very quickly. Username is already exists. Okay. I'll create a Ramesh1. Okay. Password Ramesh1. Okay. And Ramesh1. Okay, imagine. And I go here and I'll just say stop the accounting menu. Here the true, I'll make it false. That's it. Okay. Ramesh user has been created. You give the username password to Mr. Ramesh. I will type Ramesh1. Ramesh1. And you will see that Ramesh1 cannot go to the accounts menu. See, it is locked completely. That's it. It's a beauty feature.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I think it's enough, sir. It's a fantastic software.
So I suggest that this software should be used by each and every laboratory wherever people are looking for. It's a very robust software. And I can tell you, I'm not boasting or proud of our software, but I can tell you there are people who are using this software since 18 plus years without any botheration. And they contact us and they say, yes, sir, I'm using your software since 18 years. So it is a proud moment for us that yes, people are using. There are thousands of users who are using this software since many, many years. And robust, and they have upgraded one after another. Whenever the new version came, they upgraded the software. So this is the latest version, and it's powerful project, and it has got power of offline online. You will a very unique concept. You won't find its concept anywhere, which is called an offline online software. So it will create a PDF file in the background. I'll show you how it will create a PDF file so that you can understand. You don't need to be 100% internet, internet ready. Let's create a PDF file. Okay, Amit Sharma. I'll create a PDF for this. Okay, I'll go to the group report, and once I authorize it completely, the PDF will be created. Finally, a message will come that your task is completed and PDF will be ready. Okay, so my PDF is ready. I'll show you the PDF file.